Action.
Did I? Okay. Whatever. Hi, my name is HOC. You are watching Pew Pow Out of Focus, episode 4, and I'm here with my good old friend Simeone-san. We hit that spot. Oh, dude, I have to hang up now. We're filming for some. Yeah. But take care. I'll holler at you later. That was just Forrest Bailey calling me about their session here in Estonia, filming for the new Transfer snowboarding movie. So we got some sneak peeks for you guys. Check that stuff out. It's super epic.
How does it look is the question. We can build a great fucking wall of China. This is not till Sunday.
Sällan brunt som tummar. Yhdellä mulla oma telefonin nummer. Hammas läpi paistus. Rönnäkönen tummar. Yhdellä mulla oma telefonin nummer.
Those guys are dedicated. We're just like little mama's boys. Getting hurt all the time when going streets. Those guys come here like nailing everything. Just like fun.
Hey Forrest, look back there, you just wrote your dog shit. He called the shit poo! He called the shit poo! Bitches! You gotta get in from my board!
Tulevat Fiesta ja rock-sommar. Yhdellä mulla
Estonia is the shit. We're out in Estonia. We love it out here. Thank you for having us. Thanks for showing us around. You're the shit.
So yeah, that was just a sneak peek of what they actually did here. So you just have to wait.
Dude, but didn't you go out shredding with those guys as well?
Oh my god, totally did! It was fucking epic, fucking tricks. Just totally check it out. It's fucking crazy. Just wait for it. So stoked right now. Just fucking stoked right now. So you just witnessed the most epic snowboarding in street Estonia ever.
Really? Just 2 shots?
2.5.
Meanwhile, guys, I won some contests. We had like around 5 competitions. We had Estonian Championships, Big Air. We had a rail jam in Maarjamäe. We had a Nõmme rail jam or whatever slope style. We had a Welcome Stones peanut butter and rail jam. And also we had Estonian Championships slope style. Check it out.
sa mängid oma noore eluga. How about one rail run?
One rail run coming up right now.
Ja nüüd oleme Kaspar Grigorjevi juures ja küsime talt, kuidas läks finaalisõit.
Jube hästi. Hüpete pealt ma tegin 1.8 nagu.
Kas frontside, backside, switch, backside, käed?
Ma tegin switch, backside, frontside 1.8.
Kas te arvate, et saate mingi koha täna?
No medaliga oleks rahul, aga ei tea
Kunagi ei tea, kunagi ei tea.
Frontside 9 tegin alt.
Frontside 9, see tähendab, et kõht ees hakkasid ees pinnima.
Ja ma sõidan nagu vasak jalg ees, siis hakkasin kõht ees pinnima.
Fantastiline, fantastiline. Indrek, 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 Indrek.
Ma ei tea, kas on mina. Ma ei tea. Ma igaks juhul. Very nice.
Woman, please be gone. You stayed here much too long. Don't you wish that you could cry? Don't you wish I would die? See me seesaw kids, child women on the skids. The dust will choke you blind. The lust will choke your mind.
Kuradi jalgades kinni teema, aga seda vaatame.
I kiss the floor one week no more. The pig and hose have set me free. I tasted hate sweet hanging tree. I tasted hate sweet hanging tree.
Kuule, ärge veel ära jookske.
No more. The pig and hose have set me free. I tasted hate sweets hanging tree. I tasted hate sweets hanging tree.
Mis ta tegi?
Tere, et oleme siis siin Kuutsemäel Volcom Peanut Butter Rail Jamil. Ilm on ilus, päike paistab, sõbrad on kohal, võistlus on äge, muu on kõik siit.
Ja väga huvitav setup on meil, vaatame üle ka selle igaks juhuks. Siin on selline Cannon Down Railiga, siin on mingid torud jutud ja siin on ka mingi määndes, väga lahe, lähme edasi.
Talking actually to the judges, they're saying I'm fourth. I think I'm better. So.
Are you having sexual relations with the judges?
No, not today. Maybe tomorrow.
tere, kuidas jäite võistlusega rahule? Mis juhtus?
Ma ei oska sõita. Vaja harjutada.
Aga midagi, mida teised inimesed ei tea ka ütleda. Flip or flip. What were you thinking if you landed that front flip on the fucking rail? Come on.
I don't know.
Ballsy guy. Really? Kuulsin, et tegite väga suure front 3 Cannonist põhja, et mis kommentaarid on? Valus oli. Täitsa putist vahel seal.
Põhja lihtsalt flätti, väga ilus.
Ebareaalne.
Yeah, competitions. Can you do triples? Can you go like abroad or something? Yeah, we were just snowboarding for fun. We were not competing or something. We just went on the slopes. Check it out.
I'm crazy. I'm crazy for feeling so lonely.
Iluskane hei. Niimoodi käib.
Bilbao Out of Focus number 4. Thank you for watching. That was it.
Let's wrap it up and party people.
Yeah!
Remember when my first meal was school lunch? Now I spit a 16 straight with no punch. Remember all the dinner all we ate was Captain Crunch. Now we blow big notes on our way to brunch. Went from Goodfella to commissary slips. Now I got back up, man, every time I slipped. Never ever quit, I just kept on pursuing. Teacher always asked me what was I doing. Scribbled in my notebook and never did homework. Low attention spans, guess these Adderall work. Rock Tommy Hill shirts, ones with the boat. Rock poor kicks way before we even used to have baby lungs.
Bilbao Out of Focus episode 4. That was it.
That was it. Episode 4. That was it. That was it. That was it. Bilbao Out of Focus episode 4. That was it.